Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we will continue to discuss your currency situation on this currency. And let's take a look how market has behaved during the previous trading session and what has happened with our trading plan that we formed during the weekend. So what we see, our first suggestion about the potential behavior on the market was that potential 3-drive buy pattern. So that was the first drive, retracement. The second drive stands 127 extension from the first one, and as we suggest, the third drive will be 127 extension of the second drive and 1618 from the first drive. This is the areas around 132.30, 132.70. Also, the target of this pattern A, B, C top from that small ABCD on the 4-hour time frame was 132.50. It stands precisely in the middle of the ratios of the first and second drives. It's right here. The market, you can see, has passed a bit lower and moved below this area for another 50 pips to the downside. Well, in general, there's some type of the 3-drive patterns where drive stands at the same ratio from the previous one. So this drive should be 1618 from the first, and third in this case should be 1618 from the second. But second drive stands at 127 of the first, so it's some kind of skew in the 3-drive pattern, and probably we could say that maybe this pattern has been failed, but still market stands at the same area of support. And I think that despite the fact that market has pierced our potential level where we should search for the buy signals, since I think still I think that we could wait a bit more and to watch over the price action during the today's trading session for the potential buy signals. Why? Because market has hit 618 support, 1618 target from this move, from that low to that high, as we can say from the second drive. This is the 1618 support, 1618 extension. It's 131.54. Also, that is the weekly minor fib support level that we have discussed in our weekly research, and it stands precisely in that area. Also, market has accomplished the 618 target from that greater A, B, C top, 618, 132.7 right here. Also pierced a bit. So we see that market not at the oversold area. The daily trend, as we assumed, has turned bearish again. So market has established the new lows compared to this one. This is, you can see how the bearish dynamic pressure works on the market. So in general, this is not the good sign for the bulls, and the failure of some harmonic pattern is not very good for the potential reversal in the market. And probably I think that currently is the more probability that market will fail and continue move to the downside rather than it will show something really interesting to the upside. Well, but still market now stands at some support, so I think that we could spend one more trading session and watch for the potential buy signals on the 4-hour time frame. If we will see something, then probably we could trade it. I just want to remind you that our target below current market stands at 129.04, 130. This is the monthly agreement area that we have discussed also in our weekly research. That will be our next target to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame, we see one significant thing is the solid and really impressive thrust to the downside, and that thrust could create a lot of different possibilities for trading. Now we see that market stands at support, has hit some targets. Okay. By the way, just forget to show you this 100% extension target stands from that ABC, A, B, C top. So this target stands a bit lower since market has started move to the downside, not just from that 8 point, but a bit lower That's why this target should be a bit higher. So we can see on the 4-hour time, it's right here, 131.85. Although market hasn't touched it for the couple of pips, but in general we could say that probably market has reached it. Well, we see nice thrust to the downside. This could be the potential for the two different trades, so you're familiar with it already, I suppose. This is the double repo buy that could appear here. So if it will appear, it could lead to some significant retracement, probably even to the weekly pivot point, and 618 retracement from the whole swing to the downside to the 134.79. Or this could be the bread and butter sell. In that case, probably we could try to enter short, and I think that this potential area that market could reach during the first penetration of that green line, this is the 3x3 moving average, is 133.57. If this will happen during the first penetration, we could try to drop our time frame to the 5-minute chart and watch for the sell signals in that area and enter short. How much this position later, this is up to you. So you could use this enter and try to hold this position right till the monthly agreement area, to the 129, 130 area, or you could make just a scalp trade with the entering short, for instance, in that area. And the minimum target of the bread and butter, as you know, is the 618 support from the whole counter move on the 4-hour time frame, from that low to that high. 618 supports right here, I suppose somewhere around 132.50 area. Okay, so it's two different possibilities if market will show the penetrations of that green line. For those of you who are not familiar with the bread and butter trade and double repo trade, I just want to some clarification. So the bread and butter trade suggests the initial strong thrust up, any strong thrust. Now we see the strong thrust down. Then we need the penetration of this 3-period simple moving average shifted forward for the 3-period, so-called 3x3 moving average, okay, and reaching some significant resistance area during the 1 to 3 bars above this green line. So market, for instance, closed above it, then continue move further. That is should be no more than 3 bars. Okay, reaching some significant area. That is the bearish signal, and we should search for the possibility to enter short. The double repo pattern is the bullish pattern, and we suggest that market should show penetration of the green line, then close below it again. During the first penetration, market price should not reach some significant area of resistance, so that penetration should be not deep. Then close below this green line and then close above again. This will be the confirmation bar, and the double repo pattern could lead to the more significant move to the upside and deeper retracement to the upside. Well, probably this could be 134.79, but if market will show that signal, we should track for potential price action during the development of that pattern to clearly estimate the targets. This could be done a bit later if it will happen. So if market will break this area to the downside, then probably all that we could do is just search for the possibility to enter short, with the target is around 129, 130. So that's the current trading plan for the current trading session. Well, although the chances that market will show some reversal to the upside become much lower than it was even on Monday morning, but still market stands at some support. Market has hit some target, so probably we could see some intraday pattern on the 4-hour time frame, and that patterns could be double repo or bread and butter sale. Okay, so how to act according to these patterns we just have discussed. So if market will continue move to the downside, then probably we should expect to reaching of 618 support on the monthly time frame. That will be the nearest support area and the target of the potential move to the downside.